Hey everyone, welcome back to LeetCode. So in this video, we are going to visualize one of the most important array technique you will be used in coding interviews. So today we will be checking visualization for the sliding window pattern. So in many time you get an array as an input and you have given a slot range, or you can say the size of sub array. Okay, and you have to find sum of the subarray, product of the subarray, or any kind of different mathematical things. Like in this subarray you have to find the maximum number. Okay, so at that time you have to understand this pattern is a sliding window pattern, because you have provided particular slot, and in this slot you have to do the logical thing. So suppose now you have a problem. Find maximum sum of any subarray of size k. And in image, you can see you have an array of length 7, and you have a size of slot is 4, and you have to find the maximum sum of the subarray whose size is k, which is 4. So one way is you can just do two loops and find first time this total, second time this total, third time this total, fourth time this total. Okay, so you will have a loop of 4 times, which is working on the outer side, and then inside you will have a loop which will work for 4 times. So that means we are solving this into a brute force method, right? But sliding window pattern is something which makes use of pre-computation. So we'll be pre-computing the size first, like we have this 1, 4, 2, and 10. So we will be already making its information stored, and then we go to the next item and add this one to our previous sum. Okay, means our previous sum plus this new item. Okay, then we will be minusing the first item of the last slot. So here we have a like array of first. Okay, so this is the something logic which will work, and we will get a sum, and we will be just using one loop. Okay, let's see into the action how this works. Okay, so here you also have option, you can hide or just see the code. So suppose like I'm just running this one. Okay, visualization. So first, so here the window size is 3, and we have to find the maximum sum. So what we are doing, we have first loop 2, 1, 5, and find this. We have found the sum, which is the 8. Okay, we will store that into one one variable, that is max sum. So it is right now 8. Then we are moving ahead. So in while moving ahead, we get a sum of 5, 6, and then 7. So right now the window sum is 7 and maximum sum is 8. So according to logic, what we will be saying, we will be storing the maximum sum. Okay, let's move ahead. So here is the logic that we were discussing, that we will be having this window sum minus this element that we have, and then we are adding the current element. We are going ahead like this, we are checking slide by slide. So at the end we will be getting maximum sum, which is 13, which slot is it? It is this one. 7 plus 4 plus 1. So it is 13. That's it.